Welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel, Buckeye Nation. Today is July the 21st, 2021, and it's time for your daily COVID-19 analysis. Before we get started, I just want to have a couple of favors to ask. First of all, of course, if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button now. We're currently stuck at 197 subscribers. We added a couple yesterday, but 197 subscribers. I really want to get to 2,000 subscribers, okay, by this weekend, okay? And now let's just go back and review the data as we always do. As you know, this is Ohio, and we know that according to the governor's office back in February came out and said that COVID-19 deaths, and only deaths, not cases, only deaths were undercounted by 4,000 the fourth quarter of last year. All right. So in the governor's office, infinite wisdom, rather than going back and fixing the numbers for the fourth quarter of 2020, he simply added those missing death counts onto February 11th, 12th, and 13th, as you'll see here. So our solution is to replace those 3 days with an average number of deaths, and then on top of that, put a moving average. Okay. Let's go ahead and run a report and see exactly what we got here. So here's the raw numbers. Obviously, we didn't have over 2,000 deaths on February 12th. We didn't have even over 1,000 deaths on the 13th. Look at the numbers before. That's what those three numbers did. So what do? We take a moving average of the entire data set up to that point, and now we have something like this. Okay, and this is the raw case counts. Here's some summary statistics. Minus 598 deaths. And here's the thing. You can see it climb up here and level off, but as you can see from here, like December onward, there is a general downward trend in cases. I'm sorry, in deaths, in daily deaths. Remember, this is a 7-day moving average on top of there, okay? So each point represents the average number of cases, the average number of deaths for the previous 7 days. But the important thing is, from December 1st down to here, there is a decrease in cases. It's a downward trend. This is cases, okay? Some summary statistics, a maximum of 25,721 deaths, minimum of 0, of course, an average of 2,246 cases per day, okay? And here's those numbers also. Again, you had this nice long declining pattern. Now we have an obvious begin to trend up here. Hopefully this is just a speed bump or an adjustment of some type. And of course, there's the other point. It's going to be very hard to stay down here. Okay, let's just be honest about that. And it doesn't take much for this number this trend line to go back up either. Okay, that's the important thing. Okay, Buckeye Nation, thanks so much for your time today. Hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the like button. And most important of all, don't forget to click the share button. Share this video with your friends and your family. You can share it on Facebook, on Twitter. You can also copy and paste the link to this video into an email and text message and share it with your friends and family that way. Thanks so much, Buckeye Nation. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.